Good afternoon, teachers, parents, and friends. Today I'll be presenting my stellar storybook about a trip of self-discovery in Australia. So this is just a short biography about myself. I guess I'm kind of a storyteller who finds inspiration around the world. I like bringing down singing and letting creativity flow through both words and melodies, and Australia holds a special place in my heart. So this is just a short epilogue about my journey here. This is how I would describe my story. Sunsets I couldn't imagine, strangers who became friends, and adventures I never thought I'd dare to try. And I realized I was exploring the country, and I was also exploring myself. So this is day one in Melbourne. This chapter is basically about beautiful moments I experienced in Melbourne, including stunning gardens and landscapes with offshore. So this is the Brighton Beach. It's one of Melbourne's beloved landmarks. Brighton Beach dazzles with its vibrant hues. So this is the garden in Melbourne that we visited. It's called Fitzroy Garden, and it's very beautiful. As you can see, the scenery here is very nice. And we also visited some of Melbourne's architectures, like for example, there's Cathedral and other places. So this is day 2 in Melbourne. This chapter is basically about embrace the unfamiliar and find joy in the unexpected. So I would never done music production if it wasn't for this trip, and I actually enjoyed it a lot. Maybe in the future I'll try to produce music. And I usually shop at supermarkets, not markets like this, so it was great to explore many fruits and vegetables, and I get to try something new. And now this is day 3 in Melbourne. This chapter is basically about flying drones, painting walls, and it's basically showing your creativity in all forms. So this is basically us flying drones. It was actually kind of difficult because I have less experience in technology and ICT maybe. So it was great to fly drones, even though I kind of sucked at it. And this is gravity stencil art. It combines creativity and technique, allowing for detailed images, messages to be painted in a short amount of time, such as this stencil. And this is day 4, Sydney. Empathy for animals is not just about kindness, but about understanding that their lives too deserve respect, care, and compassion. So this is the Taronga Zoo. It's a zoo that really cares about animals, and they fund a lot for their research, which is great because they treat animals with respect and care, which also taught me to respect and care more about animals and about their research. Day 5, Sydney. The best views are never just about the landscape, they're about sharing the moment with the right people. So, as you can see here, there's a video of these fireworks near the Opera House. It's very beautiful, but it's better if you enjoy it with the right people. As you can see here, we experienced a fun night at the Sydney Opera House. We watched the fireworks, and I made new friends. I got closer with the grade 10s and grade 7s and 8. They're very nice. And day 6 from Stephens. This chapter is basically about the most thrilling adventures are often the messiest adventures. Over here is one of our activity, which is sand dunes, and we raced down the sandy dunes, and it was kind of a wild ride for me because I never really did sandboarding, but it was really fun, and I get to experience it with my friends. It's very thrilling, but exciting. And here I was a bit like scared to touch this thing, which is sharp. But honestly, it was a fun experience with me and my friends. Except it gets worrying sometimes, maybe, but in the end, it was kind of fun too. Yeah, in this journey of self-discovery, I explored and learned so many new things along the way. I gained valuable knowledge, experience, new opportunities, and even made new friends. That's all for now. Thank you so much.